7 6 5 ఏ పిక్చర్లో 41, బి పిక్చర్లో 9 7 8 క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్, సి పిక్చర్ 11 9 10 109 సి. హియర్ లాజిక్ ఈజ్ 7 5 35, 35 plus 6 41, 9 7 63, 63 plus 8 63 plus 8 71. Here 11 9 99 plus 10 109. So answer is 71. Here 12 18 30, 12 18 36, 16 24 48, 45 8 27 question mark. Here logic is 12 plus 18 30, 30 plus 30 60, 60 by divide by 10 చేస్తే 6. Again here 16 plus 24 40, 40 plus 40 80, 80 by 10 8. Here 45 plus 18 plus 27 45, 90 by 10. So answer is 9. 9 1 6 3 4 4 3 6 2 6 1 5 question mark. Here logic is 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16, 2 square means 4, 6 square means 36, 1 square 1, 5 square 25. So answer is 125. Here 10 minus 6 equal 16, 9 3 36 8 question mark 9. Logic is 10 minus 6 equal 4, 4 square means 16, 9 minus 3 6 square, 6 square equal 36, 8 minus how much, 8 minus 5 we will get 3, 3 square means 9. So here question mark place 5. Again 64 66 136 414 question mark 8330. Here logic is 64 into 1 plus 2 66 అవుతుంది, 66 into 2 132, 132 plus 4 136, 136 into 2 sorry 3 3 6 18 3 3 9 408 plus 6 414, 414 into 5 plus 10. Answer is 1664.